Hello guys, I'm Jagmia from JK Tech. Now we are going to see about uh, this MXQ 4K TV box. Let's go. Guys, I already unboxed this device. So from the box we have got this 4K TV box and this remote and power adapter. There is no one else. Also, it doesn't. The box doesn't have a HDMI cable in it. So let's talk about the design and build. So this is the very cheap plastic design and build. So it will prone to scratches and easy to broke. So definitely we can carefully use it. And other thing is let's talk about the remote. The remote also has a cheap plastic design and built. So there are some lot of buttons are there. You already know that this is the power button. Other things like volume up and down and some numerical buttons. That's it about the remote. Okay. So let's talk about the ports of this device. Okay. There are a lot of ports are there in this device. So now we are going to see one by one. So mainly it does have a 4 USB ports. So one is here and other one is there. Also it has a micro SD card slot and one SPDIF port and one AV port and one HDMI port, one LAN port and power port. So when we are talking about these ports, this device has 3 advantages over there. So first one is this device has 4 USB ports. So you don't need to worry about to connect your keyboard, mouse and other stuff like that. The second one is this device has LAN port in it. So you can connect your router to this device through LAN cable to get faster net connection. And third and foremost is this device has AV output in it. So you can connect this device to your old CRT TV and you can use it as a smart TV. This is a very useful feature of this device. So now we are going to connect this device to TV and let's check it out. How is the interface and other things like that. We have connected this box to this TV. Let's see interface of this TV. So this is the interface of this TV. You can lot of stuff are there. Settings, my apps, recommend music, local and other. There are a lot of steps. We also having Play Store option, so you can directly download apps from the Play Store. So let's say we go to settings and we can see what are the things are there. So this is the setting menu of this device. We have a lot of stuff are there: network, sound, apps, display, storage, and about this device, date and time, language. There are a lot of stuff are there. So now we have to check what is the version of this. What is the version of Android for this device? Android version of this device is Android 7.1.2. This is the old version, but definitely useful. You can use a lot of apps from this version. So let's talk about storage. This is the 16 GB box. Out of 16 GB, we have got 8 GB storage. So now we go to my apps. Then what are the things are there? So these are the things. The MX player and Facebook Lite and JioTV. These apps are downloaded by me from the Play Store. Now I didn't have any pen drive, so I couldn't play any 4K videos and other full HD videos. So now actually I did play 4K 30 fps video, but I couldn't play. This is the one drawback of this device. Now we go to YouTube and let's see what is how is the. So this is the YouTube interface of this device. So it's loaded and we get a lot of videos available in YouTube. So now we play one video to how is the quality. So the video is playing now. I turned off this audio because it will be trouble over audio recording. So we can use, you can use it in full screen. Now let's check it out. Uh, let's try out in full screen. Okay, full screen. So now we can see YouTube is in full screen mode. That's it about this device. Okay guys, this is the interface of the device. This is the very useful for you. It will help it for you. Then you can decide whether you buy or not. I would say one drawback of this device is can't play 4K 30 fps video, but I didn't work it on a 4K TV. I tried it on my Full HD TV. So let's take I will check it out and update in future. This device also has some cons. Nowadays a lot of Android boxes runs on Android 9 operating system, but this one doesn't have Android 9 operating system. So this runs on Android 7.1.2 Android version. So this is the very old version of Android. And second one is when I tried to play 4K 30 fps video, it couldn't play. But actually I tried it on my Full HD TV, not on a 4K TV. Okay, I will check it out and I will update you in later. Let's talk of the price. I bought it for 1,500 rupees from Amazon app. So for 1,500 it does has many features like 4 USB ports and AVR port and a LAN port. There are a lot of advantages in it, so you can definitely buy it and use it. Okay, there is no need to worry about to purchase this device. This device is available on Amazon. You can check it out and you will buy it. Thank you for watching. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.